All right, you guys, I'm here today to talk to you about this hide schedule notification button. Now, I have just shot 5 videos on my phone and I'm about to schedule them today to go out live every single day for the next 5 days. So, if I go over here to LIVEpigeon, if I was to click this hide schedule notification button, notice that everything just dimmed on that one side. And that's basically saying that I'm not notifying everyone that I'm going to go live. And so how this actually would look if I didn't have that selected, I just did this as well. This is on Facebook. I'm in the, LIVEpigeon plans to go live at Thursday at 2 o'clock to talk about the hide notification button, which is what we're doing right now, right? So if I didn't want to notify everyone on the 5 videos that I'm going to go live, because if, let's say I uploaded everything today, I uploaded 5 videos today, in your newsfeed, 5 notifications would pop up. So the reason that we created this button that just says, hide schedule notification is so that it doesn't notify everyone in your newsfeed that you're going to go live. Because guess what? You've just done something so cool, which is you've batch produced a ton of content and you're going to schedule it out, but you don't want to let everyone know what you're planning on doing yet, right? You want it to look spontaneous and that you're just going live at the time in which you want to go live.